In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Docusign password. Now, this is something that many of us might need to do from time to time, whether it's due to forgetting the password or simply wanting to update it for security reasons. So, let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Docusign website. You can do this by opening your preferred internet browser and typing www.docusign.com into the address bar. Once the site is loaded, look for the option to manage your profile. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. You'll need to click on this to proceed. Now, when you click on Manage Profile, it will prompt you to access the Docusign Account Manager website. This is where you'll handle all the details related to your account, including password settings. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Privacy and Security section, which is crucial for managing sensitive aspects of your account. You'll next need to click on Privacy and Security to continue. It's a simple click, but if you're having trouble finding it, look again near the top or a highlighted menu area for this option. At this point, you might be asked to re-enter your password. This is for verification purposes, to ensure that it is indeed you making these changes. So make sure you have your current password handy. If you don't remember it, you might need to follow earlier steps to recover or verify it through other means of access. Once verified, click the Log In button. It's a short action, but remember this is critical as it confirms your identity and grants you access to sensitive account details. After logging in, you'll need to navigate to where it says Change Password. Clicking on this will take you to the screen where you can update your password. Now, this might sound obvious, but make sure that your new password is strong and secure. Consider combining numbers, letters, and symbols to ensure it's not easily guessable. Enter your new password, and don't forget to confirm it by typing it again if prompted. Finally, hit that Save button to make sure your changes are applied. Remember, this last step ensures that your new password is stored and effective immediately. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to reset your Docusign password. Following these steps will help keep your account secure and up to date. Don't forget to make a note of the new password in a safe place where you can easily access it the next time you need to log in. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was